Hello guys, welcome to Roll's video and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna fix my Samsung Note 2. And the problem on the smartphone here is that it won't turn on. Alright, as you can see here, if I try to press the power button key here, it won't turn on. Alright, let's do it. So right now I'm gonna try to remove this back cover here. Oh, it's one piece. Nice anime. And gonna remove the back cover of this phone. And okay, upon checking here, look at that, the volume button keys were already alright. We're unable to press the button here, and also on the power key button here as well. Oh crap. So this is the problem here, both the volume button keys and the power button keys as well. Okay. Try to alright, so nothing's happened here. Gonna try to check if this phone is charged. Alright, I'm gonna plug the charger here on its charging port. Alright, so we have a display here and it shows a battery. So alright, so it's good that this smartphone here has a charge and it's not on a battery low level. Since we won't be able to turn this on we pressing the power button here, we'll need to open this body and the back cover of this smartphone. Alright, I need to unscrew all these screws here at this back here. Alright, so we already removed the back cover on this smartphone here, and as you can see here, alright, so the volume keys, look at the rubber on the volume keys, and also as well the power button keys as well. Alright, they already look wear off, and we'll need to do some remedy or a DIY fix on this power button keys and volume keys so that we'll be able to try to put it back here and try to press it. Anything works with our fix on this one. But before that, we're going to try to power on just to make sure that this phone is turning on. Okay, as you can see, I already put it back to its battery, and we're going to try to manually press the power button here so we can try to check if this phone turns on. Alright, so this phone is turning on and we can see the Samsung Note 2 logo. Alright, let's just wait for the phone since it's booting up right now. Alright, as you can see here, after booting up, alright, so okay, so upon checking here, this phone works, and it is just the power button keys here and also the volume button. We'll try to press the volume button here. Alright, so it's working. Alright, so we're going to try to make a fix on this volume button keys and also the power button keys. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut some small rubber here, so that, and after that I'm going to stick it here and here as well, and also on the power button key. Alright, I'm gonna use a super glue so that I can attach this small rubbers on its volume and power button keys here. Alright, look at that. This is what we did on the volume keys here. So we put some rubber on the volume up and volume down and let it dry for a few minutes. This is the power key button here, so I will just try to put also some rubber, small rubber here that I cut and put some super glue here as well. Alright, and we're going to let it dry as well for a couple of few minutes. So since it's already dry, we're going to try to test this out and put it back on its back cover here as well. Alright, and we're going to try to put back here. Alright, before we go put it back all together, we're going to try to test this out, and then we're going to insert the battery. We already finished here putting back the back cover here, and as you can see here, our smartphone Samsung Note 2. Gonna press the power button here, there, and it responds. Let's check the volume button key, there, and volume key down. Alright, so we already made a remedy fix regarding on its volume keys and the power button keys here. Alright, and it seems our phone is good to go now, and upon checking here, just put it back on its stylish back cover here, one piece. Alright guys, so we already fixed our Samsung Note 2 problem with its power key and volume key. And if you like this video, click like the button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.